Updating your legal name on CactusVPN is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the CactusVPN website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings or profile section in your dashboard. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Look at name change option. In the account settings, look for an option that allows you to change your legal name. This may be labeled as change name or update personal information. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering your new name, save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email. Follow any instructions provided to finalize the update. Make sure to check your account after a few days to confirm that the changes have been processed. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to CactusVPN's customer support for assistance.